Hello everyone. This is my paint collection that I'm showing you because I will paint on rocks, and I have taken out the paints already. And like so, these are my brushes, the small size ones and the big one which we paint with. And the detail brushes in the middle are the small ones, and this is the big one to make bigger details. So I'm putting them back. You really have to need water for this, and you also need a paint palette. If you do not have it, you have to buy it. And this is my paint collection. These are the more marker paints, and they're also acrylic. You can paint them on dry base canvases and also on rocks like I'm doing today. So I will show you how to paint on rocks. So you have to guess what I'm making.
मिरहा है हानिया की छोटी सिस्टर। अब ये कुछ पेंटिंग करेंगी, बेचैन हो रही है पेंटिंग करने के लिए।
I am back. If you saw my sister paint on the little rock, now I will make the sea and everything. Now I will show you the whole collection that I made. I made rainbow, and my sister made this, and then I made this little tiny rock with a sunset on it. Then I made ladybug, and this is the ocean one that I just painted, and the meadow one. So I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next video, and make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel.